In this video, we will know that how to remove permanently Yahoo Search from your Chrome browser. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, you can see here when I try open any tab, Yahoo search engine is displayed here. So I want to remove it. So click here three dot and after that click here setting option. And after that guys, find here extension option here. You can see here, click on it. And after that guys, remove third party extension from here if you don't use. Okay. Now remove. Close this window. Now guys, find here on startup option. You can see here, click on it. Now you can see here there is a yahoo.com. So click here three dot and remove. Okay, open the new tab. If you want to add any page, click again that option checkbox and click here add a new page, and you can add here any page like a www.google.com. You can add here, click here add. You can see here Google gets added here. If you don't use any page, you can select this option, open the new tab. Okay, and after that guys, click here search engine option and click here. You can see here Yahoo, click and search change and click here Google. Select this option, click here set as default. Now open new tab. So guys, you can see here there are no any Yahoo search engine. Okay, if you want search anything, it will open under Google search engine. So guys, if you like this video and your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.